Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix a box truck roll-up door, updated. Start by parking on level ground and setting the wheel chocks, then disconnect power to any automatic opener, and wear gloves and eye protection. Inspect the tracks for dents and the cables for frays, then test door balance by lifting halfway to spot spring or cable problems. Work slowly and keep fingers clear of pinch points throughout the repair. Warm up the repair by thoroughly cleaning the tracks and rollers so movement becomes predictable and quiet. Use a silicone or white lithium lubricant and avoid heavy greases that attract grit. For small dents, place a wood block against the track and tap with a hammer to straighten without overbending. Swap damaged rollers with matching sizes and ensure all bolts are tightened, then test the door slowly for smooth travel. Torsion and extension springs hold serious energy, so take a cautious approach and consider professional help for major adjustments. If you do proceed, use the correct winding bars and secure the door before altering spring tension. Replace frayed cables with OEM or rated replacements and check drum alignment. Once springs and cables are set, balance the door by lifting halfway to confirm it stays put, which prevents future wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.